Hello, everyone. I hope you all had a great little rest from school with spring break last week, although you all were working really hard on your nutrition exams. Thank you to those who've passed yours in already. Um, so I've switched up things a little bit and given you a little bit of extra time with some assignments. We have priority registration coming up, and I know a lot of people have a lot of exams in some of your lab courses the next 2 weeks. And so I've pushed back the PSA assignment to be one big assignment the first week in April. So really all you have going on for the next 2 weeks is to continue reading and completing your, pre and post lecture assignments and watching videos. The PSA assignments 2 and 3 are going to require you to pick one vitamin and one mineral and find some primary literature on both of those, so an article of interest on the one vitamin and one mineral, and then educate somebody from the general population about what the results of that study mean. So stay tuned. A little later this week, I'll give you some more information on that, but that is going to be what we're doing for the April 5th. Also, you'll notice I've taken out the diet analysis exercises, the iProfile case studies for half of you. The inputs aren't coming out right, and then for the other half of you, they're just fine. And so I'm not sure what's going on. It's an issue with iProfile, not with you. But I will say if you go in and do those case study assignments, that are all posted in Wiley Plus, I will give you some extra credit for them. So if you go in and do the iProfile case study assignments, they'll be considered extra credit for your grade. And you can also see I've moved some of the case study stuff down to a little bit later in the semester too. I felt like everybody's case studies the first time around were high enough quality that we can, wait a little while until we're making revisions and things. So your next 2 weeks are pretty laid back. You just have, chapters 8, 9, and 10 to read, to absorb, to make sure you're watching the videos on, and then you'll just keep getting some brief little videos and some little tips from me over the next couple weeks about the PSAs and the case study assignments coming up. Also, remember that the 21st is priority registration, and that is Wednesday. I will be in the Bartley Center from 9 o'clock to 1 o'clock helping everybody register for classes. So if you need to do that, or if you want to come and see me and talk about graduation and things like that, then you are very welcome to. Also, my office has moved to Frost 238. Excuse me. So if you're looking for me, that's where I am, Frost 238. I'm right by the Advising Center and the Welcome Center, so a little bit more centrally located. Have a great week, everyone, and I really look forward to reading through your exams. I'll have them graded by Sunday this week. Have a great week. Take care.